so super comfortable bed. Not a perfectly quiet neighborhood.
What woke us up first thing, Patrick?
Oh, the trash truck.
The trash truck has a giant speakerphone that's slightly broken, so the music doesn't sound
horrible.
Good.
It's horrible.
Not that music that loud and horrible could sound good, but you see what I'm getting at.
Yeah, just at 7 o'clock it comes through with the speaker turned up so loud that it cannot even play the music correctly.
Yeah, don't try to comprehend or understand it.
No, because it doesn't make sense. But now there's a marching band and a guy on a loudspeaker, so that's cool. Like a Incan flute.
Whoa, did someone drop a drum?
It's a work day. Well, it's a half work day. We're gonna go to the beach later, get ceviche and such. But this is our little station. It's a good thing we like each other. We work awfully close, the three of us.
We sure do.
Another overcast day. Warm but overcast. All right, hitting the lunch. Look at this Alphen Cliff. What a view. I'm gonna go droning around there soon. All right, we're at Cafe Lopez, Cabana Lopez, and they have enconcado, which we haven't had for a year. It's like a coconut sauce on fish. It's gonna be awesome.
Patrick, what are you naming your new dog?
Perro Negro.
Wow, that's perfect for him. Oh, there he is. There he is. He has very kind eyes. Don't you? Don't you?
He's a good boy. He's a very good boy.
Animals are attracted to Patrick everywhere he goes. Human and non-human.
Guess I made a friend.
Oh, it's so sandy.
He doesn't care.
His teeth are gonna be.
Again, we forgot to record our plate, but that's the enconcado fish.
If I'm taking to-go food, you know it was good. Hi, who's that? Who's a good boy? I'm scared he'll bite me.
He's cool. He won't bite.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's offended.
Jade and I saw this apartment online, somewhere up in there. It's in a cool place of Olon along the beach. About like a 5 or 10 minute walk to the restaurants and downtown. Yeah, let's go look at it a little closer. time to edit. Christopher's at his post.